how to place a bet on Betway. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can place a bet on Betway, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Placing a bet on Betway is fairly simple. Go to betway.com and log into your account. Then from there, first of all, you just have to choose the categories you'd like to bet on: sports, in-play casino, live casino, Vegas, esports, and so on. So once you choose that, and once you choose a certain category, you'll be able to see the bets that are available for that categories. So you can just select a certain bet that you'd like to place a bet on, and then you will be able to go ahead and then have a bet for that particular thing, and then you can place the bet depending upon what is it that you prefer here. This way you should be able to go ahead and then place a bet on Betway. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.